Do you want to know how you can back up your Telegram chat on your Android device? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can back up the Telegram chat on your Android device. Go ahead and open Telegram on your phone, click on the three lines on the left hand side and go to settings. Now scroll a bit down and go to data and storage. Make sure that your automatic media download is enabled, so go ahead and click on enable this, and you can see that your automatic media download will be enabled and then your backup will start. So you can see that your backup has already been saved as your storage and data uses is over here. So make sure that it is over here, and if you click clear cache, then your data will be erased and you will have to download the data again if you try to log in to another device. You can also click save to gallery, groups and channels if you want the data to remain on your phone, and your data will remain on the cloud as well. So you can also turn on stream videos and audio files for better improvement in streaming videos and audios. So this is it, guys. This is how you turn on backup on your Telegram chat on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.